Good morning, everyone. This is Witty Bonita. Welcome back to my channel. Yo! I'm here with my sister again. We're twinning black. We're here in her sari store. In the other area, we are selling mga pampagwapa na products. Alam nyo na naman, puro mga kimpit-kimpit, mga hair accessories, candies, and everything. Look at us. We are very, very beautiful. We're here in Eco Church, Kauswagan, Cagayan de Oro City. Eco Church. Eco Church, Cagayan de Oro City. That's the sari store of my sister. Hi, hello! Magsakay po kayo kay Kuya. Tag piso lang. Welcome to my vlog. Halika ate, i-vlog natin yung ano mo. Sige. There's also a display here, kakanin snacks in the Philippines. Suman, rice, ano to te? Malagkit, di ba? Rice made from rice. And this, ano to? Moron, made in rice yapon. Malagkit rice. And this is balanghoy. Ibos. Ano to? Empanada. Of course, the cochinta, and the banana cake. Biko. Ano to? Ube, puto, and bananas, and the fruits, papaya. And they have also vegetables. Okay, i-vlog natin kung tagpila. Tagpila po ninyo ang income. For example, pinakadako sa isang Sunday. Hi! Tagpila ang isa.
Only 25.
25. Ito.
Bingala is 10 pesos.
10 pesos, 25, 45,
Moron
45.
is 10. Putamaya 10. Palitaw 50. Banana
Ay, ito si ate ang
45.
tindira here. Hi.
I'm the owner.
Makita ka sa YouTube, ate. Iba-vlog, inutang na ko to sa YouTube. Hi, mga gwapo. Balit na mo sa among baligya. Yo, alina mo. Busy. They only display here during Sunday ba, ate? Sunday. Every Sunday only because this is beside the church. So they will display here every Sunday morning and afternoon. Okay. This is beside of my sister. My sister rented place. Ang sipag-sipag po ng sister ko. She always like selling something everywhere. I like vegetables. This is the ologbate. Ologbate. Yeah. Slippery one. Datalbos ng kamote. What else? The sikwa. The very this has a distinct smell. I like sikwa. And the talong. And the ampalaya. Okay guys. Alina, bili na kayo. Bilhan nyo na si ate. Nagpila po ang kita ninyo te in, for example, sa isang Sunday, ang pinakadako nga kita nimo sa isa ka Sunday, pinakadako. She have sale 10,000 pesos one Sunday, the biggest one. Ang pinakamaliit 7K. This is only her product, but only Sunday because it's beside the church. Nag-rent mo dire wala? Ha? Yeah, they display here